Et bien c'est donc, c'est Seb Nexel, comment allez-vous? On va super bien. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une vidéo sur Game of Thrones. Ouais. Alors pour prouver que je suis exactement le même endroit que la dernière fois, vous avez juste à cliquer sur ma dernière vidéo, regardez la toute fin, quand je vous dis à quelle heure, quelle minute, quelle seconde je suis. Et vous avez juste, tout simplement, à poursuivre l'épisode 1 avec moi. Yeah! Allez, c'est parti les gens, on verra ce qui se passe. Je vais essayer de finir ce let's play.
They showed up unannounced. Lord Whitehill is in the lab. I assume you explained to Lord Ethan why they're here?
Business with Garrett. I told him.
Lord Whitehill knows Garrett is a squire to this house. Or was, I suppose.
Was. It makes no difference. The Whitehills were clearly in the wrong, so don't give him any satisfaction. Out there, you were decisive and firm. Now do it again with these bastards.
Let's not do something rash. Things are bad enough as it is.
Ah, je m'en occupe gros, je m'en occupe.
Well said, my lord.
Now is not the time to anger Lord Whitehill any more than he already is. He's got 5 times as many men, and the backing of House Bolton.
All the more reason.
Ah, les Bolton, des fils de pute.
Only cowards and dead men.
Gros porc là. Putain, c'est qu'il bouffe du jambon lui, c'est sûr.
Lord Ethan, is it? My condolences for your father and brother.
Merci tête de bite.
The late Lord Forrester was no friend to me or my house. My only regret is I wasn't there to drive the dagger into his heart myself.
Oula, toi tu cherches la merde, hein.
I've been waiting for this day all my life.
I may be young, but I'm not so easily fooled. You're trying to rile me, but it won't work.
Young? You are that boy. Too young to know when you're in over your head.
Toi j'ai niqué ta mère, toi c'est sûr.
Bread and salt? What kind of fucking house receives a lord with no fucking bread and salt? You bloody amateur. No
Ouais.
courtesies. I should have expected as much. Bloody Forrest.
Ah, je vais te niquer toi.
Calm yourself, old man.
Oh, fuck! That's how you talk to a lord? You Forresters have shit on us for generations. Well, now the Starks are no longer around to have your back, are they? We're the power in the north now.
Roose Bolton is the Warden of the North.
Aye. And we've been his bannermen for 5 fucking centuries. You cunt.
Lord Ethan, you're losing control of this.
That's enough, Lord Whitehill.
I'm not finished. Maybe
Ta mère, t'as fini gros porc.
things would have been different between us.
You squandered your share.
Our share was taken from us. We had no fucking choice but to harvest what was left.
What is it you want, Lord Whitehill?
PD va.
Your man, the squire. We were minding our own business, keeping the king's peace, as his lordship here said, when your man attacked us for no reason.
Hear that? Attacked for no reason.
No reason. You murdered his family.
And you admit it was your man who killed my men. And a pig farmer at that. How do you answer for your squire, Lord Ethan?
Comment que je réponds?
Your name. And you are the lord of this house.
We lost people too, Lord Whitehill. Your men murdered his entire family.
You lost pig farmers, not soldiers. Soldiers worth 100 of their type. Where's the fucking coward who killed my men? I know he's here. What have you done with him?
I took care of it. He received his punishment and it's done. He's gone.
What? Gone? That was my justice to deliver, boy, and you denied me of it. I'm not leaving until I have my justice. Now bring me the coward who did it, or you'll answer to Roose Bolton. What kind of fucking house is this?
A house of honourable men.
Lady Forrester.
You bellow like a wounded boar, Lord Whitehill. Have you forgotten your manners?
I mean no disrespect to you, my lady, considering your losses and all. This is not over.
It's over when my son says it is.
Thank you for coming, Lord Whitehill.
Ethan is Lord of Ironrath now. By rights, his word is law here. If that displeases you, then I trust you can find the door.
May be lord of this house. Lord Bolton will have the final say.
Eh oui, bien
I'll
sûr.
send him a raven letting him know a Forrester man killed one of his own. That the new Lord Forrester lied to my face and denied me my justice. Then we'll see whose word is.
Eh bien sûr. Es-tu prêt?
Do your worst, you.
Oh, j'ai pas eu le temps de parler, putain. PD. Je suis un bon, hein. Alors moi je suis le genre de roi, enfin on va dire. En fait je suis un petit peu le genre de roi en fait qui est provocateur, tu vois, quand même.
To be braver still when Ramsay Snow arrives to see you bend the knee. Prepare a raven. We need to send word to Mira in King's Landing.
Oh, alors là s'il veut, alors si c'est Ramsay mon gars, qui veut que je me mette à genoux, vous vous foutez de ma gueule. Et je me mettrai jamais à genoux devant ce PD, wesh. C'est mort, je préfère crever. Sans déconner. Oh putain. Ah Mira, Forestier, Donjon Rouge, Port-Réal. Trop tard. On a Port-Réal. Hop là, on rentre dans notre petite chambre avec il y a plein de bananes, plein de pommes, plein de grosses boulettes. Oh, nous avons une caisse ici. Boîte de février. On va regarder ce qu'il y a à l'intérieur. Voyons les petits cadeaux. Wouhou! Ah non. Nous avons ici un ferrugier taillé. On va regarder.
Ethan made this for me.
Ethan m'a pas. C'est magnifique par contre ça. Putain, tu te dis quand même à l'époque les gens ils étaient plus normaux on va dire. Parce qu'aujourd'hui maintenant les gens ils fabriquent pas, ils se font pas chier pour un
Ashes
Carrefour.
sent
Et
me this coin.
ils achètent la même chose.
A
H-
strange place, Essos.
Heureusement que ça s'appelle pas Cassos l'endroit.
It was very kind of Lady Marjorie to give this to me.
Ouais.
The one
Bah
thing I
Lady
was
Marjorie
remember-
c'est, on va dire, c'est pas une personne à qui je ferais énormément confiance. Lettre inachevée, on va lire ça.
Father, much excitement here in King's Landing for the coming wedding. Lady Marjorie has proven to be quite popular throughout the city. I do wish you and Mother could come, although I know it would be impossible under the circumstances. I miss all of you, and I look forward to the day you can.
Je crois qu'en fait la fille elle est pas au courant que son père et son frère sont morts. Et que son petit frère Ethan est devenu Lord Ethan. Nous avons un vieux tome poussiéreux, ça on s'en fout. De toute façon c'est pas ça qui va nous avancer dans l'histoire. Hop, ah on a une fenêtre, c'est pas ça qui va nous faire avancer. Lettre de mère, oh putain. Voilà, la galère.
It troubles me to even ask this of you, but you must appeal to Lady Marjorie to intervene on our behalf. She is our best hope, and can be a powerful ally, especially now when your family so desperately needs her help.
Oh oh. C'est qui vient me violer là? Ok, on va ouvrir, mais... Allez.
One moment.
Oh, sorry, milady. I didn't mean to disturb you. I can come back later if you'd like.
Ah, vas-y,
No,
viens
it's
petit.
fine. Come in.
Vas-y, viens petit con.
Begging your pardon, milady, but you all right? If you don't mind my asking, you seem rather upset.
Bah, je suis inquiète, hein.
Worried about my family.
Ah, wait for a moment, is it?
It's kind of you to ask.
Of course, milady. You've always been kind to me.
Please hurry if you can. Lady Marjorie will be here any minute.
Of course, milady. You
Bon,
work
ouais.
for Lady Marjorie?
Non, je suis sa caméra girl.
But it seems like you do.
Voilà, sa camériste.
I'm her handmaiden.
That's what I thought. I've seen you with her before. You seem like good friends. I saw Lady Marjorie just this morning, outside the Royal Sept, talking to Queen Cersei.
Oh, Cersei, putain la salope. Bleh. Ah, je vais vomir.
They
Ah, ma
appeared to be
gueule.
having some sort of disagreement. I
Vous les
couldn't hear
espionnez,
much.
de quoi
What
parlait-elle?
did they say?
I couldn't make out much, but I know they were talking about the Starks and House Forrester.
House Forrester.
Tiens, voilà pourquoi je vous dis que je fais pas confiance à cette pute de Marjorie, hein. Et je suis sûr, elle est en train de me foutre une bite dans le cul, là.
Not in King's Landing with so many
Ou un doigt dans le
lords
cul,
and
c'est comme vous voulez.
You see and hear all sorts of things when people don't even know you're there.
Et ouais, c'est bien
Good
pratique,
night,
ça.
lady.
Bah, on n'est pas le soir, mais ouais, bon, ça regarde toi aussi, mon gars. On est un petit peu en plein jour, ma gueule, hein. Ah, la salope.
Lady Marjorie, you're early.
I was hoping there would be time for us to talk. Come, there's something we must discuss.
Oh putain, ça sent mal, là. Ça sent pas bon, ça sent pas bon. Le parfum pue la merde, là. C'est qui, elle?
From the day you arrived in Highgarden, I've thought of you more as a friend than as my handmaiden. A dear friend, in fact.
Thank you, my lady.
And you know how I feel about what's happened to your family. I feel your pain as if it were my own. What you've suffered is beyond imagining. And your poor family...
Ah, ma mère m'a écrit, ma gueule.
Wrote me, my lady.
I don't doubt they must be overcome with grief. But you must not despair. We will get through this together. You must understand there
Tu
are
vois,
no
même
words
elle a
to
compris que c'est une
say,
grosse pute.
especially here in King's Landing.
Salope. Ah, je déteste Marjorie aussi.
Whose family
Ah, mais elle a
fought
tonne
for
de
the
personnages que je déteste dans Game of Thrones, en fait.
raises questions that
Moi, j'aime bien, genre, enfin, j'aimais bien parce que maintenant, du coup, il est mort. Ned Stark, Robb Stark. Franchement, je vais vous l'avouer, mais j'aime bien Tyrion Lannister, il est ouf. Bon, bah, Jon Snow, la base, hein. J'aime bien Bronn. Jaime Lannister, je l'aime bien. Je ne suis pas... En fait, Jaime Lannister, je l'aime bien quand il n'est pas avec Cersei. Mais quand il est avec Cersei, c'est un PD. Ouais, bref, en fait, il y a plein de personnages qui sont des connards. J'aime bien Arya Stark aussi, je déteste Sansa Stark.
She's waiting for us now, and I promised I would bring you to her. I wouldn't ask this of you if it were not important. I cannot afford any conflict with Cersei with the wedding so
Bon,
near.
je suis un peu fermé ma gueule. Et là, ça a été écrit, elle a remarqué votre silence,
Find
non?
a way to appease
Ah tiens, j'en étais sûr.
her.
En même temps, tu veux que je dise quoi, espèce de pute? Ça se trouve, c'est à cause de toi que je vais crever, wesh. Je suis sûr et certain.
See
que
if
je vais
the
mourir.
agent is ready to receive us.
Putain, elle est bonne, elle. Mais qu'est-ce que t'as, toi? T'es de schneck.
You'll be fine. I know you will. You may feel
Ouais,
one thing,
tout ira
and
bien.
say another.
Je vais crever, mais à part ça, tout va bien. Bonne chance, hein.
Good luck.
Oh putain, mais je suis un devin, ma gueule. En vrai, je vais crever. Putain, elle va me buter, cette salope. Mais j'ai pas envie de mourir. Hein? Allez. Ah, y'a Tyrion. Lui, ça va être l'homme qui pourra
You
m'aider.
can do this.
Je suis sûr et certain que Tyrion peut m'aider. En même temps, Cersei, c'est une grosse pute. Je suis en train de mettre mon viseur sur cette gueule. Mais Tyrion, c'est un bon petit nain de jardin, lui. Il est énorme. Alors, il n'y a pas la montagne, donc ça, c'est plutôt une bonne nouvelle. Ah, Tyrion, Tyrion.
Ah, Lady Marjorie. Aren't you looking lovely this evening?
Lord
Elle est
Tyrion,
bien dégueulasse, ouais.
Your Grace.
Par contre, elle est bien
With your
faite.
permission, allow me to introduce Lady Mira of House Forrester.
Ah là, on va s'agenouiller devant cette gueule. Franchement, elle va être heureuse. Hein. La reine est satisfaite.
Her courtesies. Impressive. You may rise.
Attends, mais on n'est pas dans Star Wars, ma gueule.
House Forrester is a northern house loyal to the king.
Are they?
I beg your pardon, Your Grace.
I wasn't talking to you. I want to hear from the girl. Is your family loyal to the king?
Qu'est-ce que je vais répondre? Nous servons le roi Geoffrey.
She is.
Ouais, bah, on va dire ça.
Is the one true king, Your Grace.
Est-ce que ça lui plaît la réponse?
And yet, for centuries, the Forresters have been loyal bannermen to House Stark, a house of traitors.
Oui.
They were the wardens of the North. We all served at the pleasure of the king.
Voilà.
Clever girl.
Eh, Tyrion, ma gueule.
Perhaps too clever for her own good.
The girl did name
Oh,
Joffrey as
oh, 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 oh. Ça t'a pas plu ce que j'ai dit? Tu veux plutôt voir un couteau?
To swear fealty to your new liege lord, Roose Bolton.
Putain, ça va être bien. Il s'agit du nouveau gouverneur, absolument. Roose Bolton sera élu aussi.
Yes,
Ouais.
absolutely.
Vas-y, on va la rendre satisfaite.
I see. Despite the fact Roose Bolton allied with Walder Frey, if it was me, I'd find it difficult to so quickly forgive the men who killed my father. Old allegiances are not easily abandoned, but now that the war is over, we must look to rebuild and forge new alliances. There are ships and shields to be built, and Joffrey will need a steady supply of ironwood for his armies. I'm told there are others who would happily serve that purpose, but I trust we can rely on House Forrester.
Ouais, t'inquiète, je vais te faire du bois, ma gueule.
does seem rather unique.
Yes, Your Grace.
It would be a shame to see it fall into the hands of another house. I imagine you'd do almost anything to prevent that from happening, wouldn't you? Ask any Lannister, and they'd do whatever was necessary to save Casterly Rock. It would be unfortunate to see another house lay claim to what's yours.
Yes, Your Grace. I would do anything.
Ah, j'aurais dû pas le dire. Putain, non, non, non.
I see.
Entre autres, c'est-à-dire que je serais capable de la
What
buter,
did
tu
you
vois.
have the girl do, Cersei? It's not as if
Cersei.
she fought beside the Starks, wielding a battle axe for the Northern Army.
It raises an interesting question, I suppose. Can we
En vrai,
truly
ça me
know
ferait
what's
trop chier
going
d'être
on
Mira,
inside
quoi.
the
Putain.
king? Our dear Marjorie here was betrothed to Renly Baratheon on the false assumption that he would one day rule the Seven Kingdoms. Can we fault her for her mistake? Should she be held accountable?
I'm sure she regrets it.
Perhaps.
Putain.
Perhaps not.
If there's a point to this, I hope you find it quickly.
Loyalty can be such a hard thing to define. This city alone is filled with all sorts of ambitious opportunists looking to reinvent themselves, pretending to be something they're not. Who knows what lurks within their hearts? You are a girl from the north, here in service to Lady Marjorie. One can only assume her interests are yours. Yet loyalty to a king, that must be absolute, beyond question. And if your loyalties were to become conflicted between your king and the very person whom you serve, what would you do then?
Oh.
I'm sure let the girl answer the question. Go on.
I'm Marjorie, Your Grace. I serve at her pleasure.
Clearly your handmaiden does not have her priorities straight.
She is a threat to the crown, isn't she?
Mais
The most
non.
dangerous handmaiden in all of King's Landing.
My sense is this girl will say almost anything to get what she wants.
Oh.
Which is not very encouraging.
Espèce de pute.
I'd like a word with you, if I may.
Of course, Your Grace.
Hélas, j'aime pas ce regard. C'est quoi, je me casse. Salut Tyrion.
I'll walk you out.
Ah, merci.
This may come as a surprise, but I met your father once, at the tourney at Lannisport. Even then he didn't trust Roose Bolton. We only spoke briefly, but your father struck me as an honorable man. You have my condolences for his loss. These would be trying times for your family, even under the best of circumstances.
Thank you, Lord Tyrion. That's very kind of you to say.
You were brave to declare your loyalty to Lady Marjorie. No doubt she was pleased, but Cersei, she will not soon forget what you said. It was quite the first impression. I, of course, found it all highly.
Je n'aime pas Cersei.
That was fairly apparent to everyone. My sister and I have our differences. She takes great pleasure in her little charades. I take mine in thwarting them. We must find
t'es un
our
bon, toi.
amusements where we can. She threatened to give your ironwood to another house. It is the Master of Coin who decides such matters. The crown needs boats. Boats need wood, and I speak for the crown in this
Est-ce que tu peux m'aider, gros, s'il te
not
plaît?
her.
You can help my family.
I suppose the crown could be persuaded to secure ironwood from House Forrester. Lady Marjorie might not look favorably on such an alliance, and it would infuriate Cersei. Although what would be amusing for me might prove rather dangerous for you and your house. Are you willing to risk that?
Ouais, 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 ma gueule. Ouais,
It's a
vas-y,
risk I
sauve
need
ma
to take,
famille.
Lord Tyrion. Please.
You are a brave girl, aren't you?
Ouais.
I'll consider.
Putain.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I promised Sansa I would join her for dinner tonight.
Bah vas-y, va dîner avec cette pute.
Dornish wine await my arrival.
I hope we meet again.
Nothing would make Cersei happier. Until then, be careful. This is not the North. King's Landing can be a nest of vipers to the initiative.
Bon, bah on se retrouve pour la deuxième partie. Donc voilà, la Vermedia qui crache tout le temps et ça me casse les couilles, sérieusement. Quand je fais une putain de bonne vidéo, ce putain d'Avermedia de mes couilles il fait que de cracher.
Mira, I was worried. How was it? Cersei has a way of looking at you, so you're nothing.
Didn't
Ah,
go
pas
for
très
a
bien.
while.
I'm sorry. Cersei is known for being rather difficult. But at least it's over now. Lady Marjorie has spent the entire day working on seating arrangements for the wedding. Of course, you and I are seated way at the back, here with the fourth cousins and the ninth-born sons. Sir Jamie, I wouldn't mind tarnishing that white cloak of his.
Sarah!
What? It's true. And Oberyn Martell, the Red Viper. I'm told he has a paramour, which I doubt is Dornish.
Ouais, vas-y, on va dire ça, il va
He
être
is
content.
quite handsome.
And quite passionate, from what I've heard. Perhaps Lady Marjorie could make the right introductions. Who knows? We might meet our future husbands. Although, marrying a king, I can only imagine what that would be like. Would you marry Joffrey if it meant you'd become queen?
Non.
He does have a certain look about him, and he's always treated Lady Marjorie well, which is more than you can say.
Ah,
for
pour ma
himself.
famille, ouais,
I'd
par
marry
contre.
anyone if it helped my family.
Right, of course. Well, I would marry him. Imagine the power you would have as Queen of the Seven Kingdoms. I might even allow you to be my handmaiden. Let's see, who else should we marry off? Brienne of Tarth and Tyrion Lannister. What a perfect match! Sir Bronn and...
What are you doing?
Bronn, c'est un bon.
Well? Sarah?
I'm sorry, my lady.
As am I. We shouldn't have been messing about.
This is not a game. It's a battle plan. Allies and enemies can be made with every move. Yet they say it is men who are powerful. The Queen was rather disappointed by your display, Mira.
Tu m'étonnes.
It's over. King's Landing can be exhausting sometimes. There's always someone to please or some perceived slight to smooth over. I fear it will only get worse when I am queen.
Once they know your true heart, the lords and ladies will have no choice but to love you.
Do you agree?
Once you are queen, the lords and ladies will do their best to please you.
You learn very quickly. You
And
were
they are
brave
movies.
agreeing to obey the Boltons. That cannot have been easy. I know you must fear what Lord Bolton might do to your family. I do appreciate your willingness to appease her, as difficult as it may have been.
Thank you, my lady. There's been something on my mind. Something important.
Ah, vas-y, aide-moi, salope.
I did have a favor to ask of you in return.
Whatever you wish to say, you can say it in front of Sarah. There are no secrets between us.
It's about my family.
I trust her.
Ouais, vas-y. Tu peux rester.
Go on. Ask.
Please, Ramsay Snow is on his way to Ironrath to see my brother bend the knee.
Ramsay? Roose Bolton's bastard.
I fear my family will suffer if Ramsay is left to do as he likes. But if a raven could be sent to the Boltons to let them know House Forrester has the protection of the crown.
That is no small request, especially now. Joffrey knows only too well your family fought for the Starks, and now you would have me ask him to intervene. Is the situation that dire?
You can't, my lady. King Joffrey won't like it. Just think how he turned on Lady Sansa. Please, Lady Marjorie, I beg of you. I fear for my family's safety.
Ah, tu m'étonnes, gros. C'est chaud.
I don't know, Mira. If Cersei were to find out...
Don't let the Queen bully you. You have power over him, Lady Marjorie, as no one else does. Not even his mother. Ramsay Snow will arrive at Ironrath within the week. I would never ask this of you if it weren't so urgent.
Very well. I'll make your request, but I cannot promise anything.
Thank you, my lady. Welcome to my family at once.
Bon, on peut retourner à Montfer là, c'est un petit peu plus drôle là-bas quand je joue avec Ethan. À mon avis, ça va être un 3 chapitres, hein, parce que tout à l'heure la vidéo elle a bugué à 28 minutes, là on a déjà 6 minutes. Ah, bah voilà. Route royale bois au loup. Oh oh. Non, non, poney. Mais non, le petit poney revient. Putain. PD de poney. Par les 7 enfers. Oh là 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 là, ils sont en train de jouer avec le mec là. Oh putain! Oh ces fils de pute ça!
My ancestors wore the skins of their enemies as a coat.
C'est Ramsay! C'est Ramsay! Oh yeah!
Not my best work, unfortunately. I suppose I have fallen out of practice. But he didn't make it easy.
Fils de pute!
Bloody noise.
Like a drowning cat. I thought he'd never stop.
As my father likes to say, a naked man holds few secrets, but the flayed man holds none.
Pity he didn't know your father was the Warden of the North.
He does now. How much further is it to these foresters?
A day, my lord. 2 at most.
What was that?
My lord?
Shh! Listen.
Ramsès.
There. Hear that? I know I heard.
de retour chez les Forrester.
Lord Ethan, as I was saying, you are young. And there are those within these walls who are uncertain of your leadership. But 300 generations of Forrester lords stand behind you. Lord Gerhard the Tall, who founded our house, and your grandfather, Lord Thorin the Bold, who seized back the river valley from the White Hills.
What did they call my father?
Lord Gregor the Good. He was fair and wise, and courageous in battle.
Why are you telling me this?
To help you rule, Lord Ethan. These were your father's people to lead and protect, and now they're yours. But your father did not bear this responsibility alone. He and every Forrester Lord before him chose one man whom they trusted above all others, the Lord Sentinel. Forrester traditions demand that a new Lord Sentinel must be chosen.
Oh putain.
I've done nothing wrong. I was only trying to survive.
Là le délire.
Lord Ethan. Missed.
Who is this man?
This Craven is a deserter and a thief.
This house is doomed! We all fucking know it!
Quiet, thief. Eric was supposed to be guarding our weapons, but instead we caught him stealing them.
2 shields and 3 spears.
You stole from us.
I feared for my life. Yes, my lord.
Bah maintenant tu peux.
We should all
Maintenant tu peux craindre ta vie mon pote parce que c'est sûr que si j'ai le choix je vais te niquer ta race.
I've a family to feed. And not 2 coins to rub together since Lord Gregor left us to rot here. Where's our pay? Our share of bread and wine grows smaller every day.
Leave the poor man alone!
Non mais putain, par contre, attendez, je viens de me souvenir d'un truc. Ma sœur, je lui ai promis de ne pas changer.
This house is falling. We'll never survive the coming winter.
We are
Allez.
in this together.
You say that, but it won't be you who's starving come winter.
You'll address him as Lord. Lord Ethan, you must decide the punishment. Lord Gregor always took a thief's fingers. 3 of them.
Now may not be the time for harsh punishment. The men are on edge as it
Men
is.
need to know they cannot do whatever the fuck they please. Their lord will not permit it.
You can send him to the war.
Ouais. En fait là, tu vois, le choix est dur parce que les gens ils veulent que je le tue, ma soeur veut qu'il reste en vie et les 2 couillons veulent qu'il parte au mur. Enfin, surtout.
If you punish me, you'll be punishing an innocent man. It'll be an injustice, my lord. Please.
Lui couper 3 doigts, l'envoyer au mur selon très clément.
I, Ethan of House Forrester, Lord of Ironrath, name you a thief. The price for your crime is 3 of your fingers.
No! Please, my lord! My lord, please!
Aïe aïe aïe.
No!
My lord, normally it is the Lord's duty to carry out the sentence. But I am willing to carry it out.
I will carry out the sentence.
Oh putain.
This is injustice, my lord!
Ah putain, allez c'est parti. Je crois qu'il ne va plus jamais voler lui. Voilà. C'est ça que je vous avais dit que c'était que ma soeur elle allait faire la gueule.
That was certainly unpleasant, but a lord must meet our punishment when it's due.
Eh ouais.
Just yourself, of course.
May Maester, what do you think?
Me?
Yes. Did I do what's right?
As Maester, I cannot support mutilation.
You heard what the thief said. I expect this sort of thing will happen again. But a sentinel can help you in the face of disloyalty. You need someone you can trust by your side.
J'ai été cruel, n'empêche, hein. Et en fait, j'aurais dû trop l'envoyer au mur.
Rely on, no matter the circumstance. Possessing wisdom and experience.
But Maester, that is what the small council is for.
My lord, you of all people should know that too many voices muddy the message. That is why there is one lord.
Ah non, franchement là j'étais bâtard, j'aurais dû l'envoyer au mur.
There must be one advisor above the rest. There are two capable men for the role. They both want the job, but neither thinks very highly of the other.
How do I decide between them?
Talk to them. Solicit the opinion of people close to you. Here, the bracer of the Sentinel. The badge of office. Tonight is your first small council meeting. It would be wise to bestow this bracer upon your chosen sentinel then, to show that you are decisive and in control of this house. Your sentinel will wear this for all to see.
I'll make the right choice as sentinel.
Come speak with me when you're ready to convene the small council, my lord.
Alors, les gens, donc là je vais vous expliquer ma théorie dans ma tête. Donc, pour que je choisisse un sentinelle, il me faut que je réfléchisse énormément entre ce fils de pute et lui. Voilà, alors, donc je vais vous expliquer ma théorie. Si je vais choisir Duncan, je choisirai l'intelligence. Mais si je choisis... si je choisis Sir Royland, j'aurais choisi la force. Et à mon avis, contre Ramsay, le meilleur moyen de gagner, c'est la force. Donc, mon choix est définitif.
I wanted your advice.
Et Sir Royland sera ma sentinelle.
Ah, you do. And it's good you came to me. I know this house, and everyone here knows me. They know I can hold the reins or wield the sword in equal.
Voilà, c'est ça qu'il me faut. Quelqu'un qui sait manier une épée.
And might I remind you, it was Duncan Tuttle who sent Garrett to the wall.
Et en plus, par rapport à ça, il a raison. Mais même, d'un sens, Duncan, il a raison. Enfin, je trouve que Duncan, il a raison d'envoyer Garrett au mur. Ça évite les embrouilles. Et ça évite qu'il meure, surtout.
Seeing you make good choices as a young lord.
Your words are wise, Sir Royland.
Thank you, my lord.
I will consider them as I make my choice.
So, when will you declare your decision, my lord?
Ce soir.
Tonight, at the small council meeting.
Very good. I trust your judgment, my lord.
Terminé. J'ai terminé, donc. Maître. C'est sûr que je vais choisir Sir Royland. Pour la survie d'autres maisons, je suis obligé de le choisir lui. Après, je sais pas si plus tard je pourrais changer.
Yes, Lord Ethan. Are you prepared to name your sentinel?
Oui.
Yes, Maester. I'm ready.
Very well. I will convene the small council at once.
Donc, ma sentinelle sera Sir Royland. Oh putain.
You may sit.
I believe Lord Ethan has reached his decision.
Before I name my sentinel, I must tell you. Duncan, Royland, this house needs you both.
But you can only choose one, my lord.
Let him be on with it.
Many thought either of you would make a fine sentinel, but I have made my decision.
Tiens. Putain, mais c'est trop dur. Je le donne à qui? L'intelligence ou la force? L'intelligence ou la force? Allez,
Sir
vas-y, on va
Roland
faire un
de
choix.
Bourgh, you will be my sentinel.
Gods be praised. You've done well, Lord Ethan. You won't regret this.
A poor choice, my lord. Forgive me for saying so, but it's true.
Now, Sentinel, what do you have to report of Ramsay Snow?
My scouts say he's a day's ride away. We've no time to wait.
Tiens, un joueur de
our
cheval.
allies could be here.
Who knows what he's capable of? We need to prepare for the worst.
We can devise a plan to deal with him.
The Boltons need our people to harvest the ironwood. Even the bastard Ramsay must understand that.
He's not coming here to negotiate. We must answer with the sword.
That's bloody suicide. You gamble with the lives of everyone within these walls.
Quiet, Tuttle. You're not the Sentinel. I knew this would happen. He cannot be trusted.
This is the small council, is it not? Lord Ethan should hear from all of us.
I will hear from my Sentinel. Please.
The Bolton sigil is a flayed man.
Allez, vas-y.
They understand. Put every man who can hold a spear or crossbow on the wall, and make the bastard fill his boots with piss.
He would see it for the empty gesture that it is, and have us flayed. We must take a measured approach, my lord.
Cette maison... Cette maison va couler avec tout le monde.
Mira has asked Lady Marjorie for her help. It's not too late for the Crown to intervene on our behalf, but we must have a plan if Mira's efforts are not successful. I trust Mira's judgment. I don't doubt she did everything within her power to help us.
We all must agree on the plan. We cannot leave until we have a consensus.
Ugh.
Why not make an offering for peace, my lord?
Yeah, the wisdom of the Citadel.
We can give the Boltons ironwood in exchange for their protection.
You must be mad. It's pure folly to just give away the only currency we have to bargain with.
Enough! My
Allez.
Sentinel is skilled in the ways of war. Our forces may not be at full strength, but our men are willing to take on this fight. I think Ramsay Snow will see that too.
They may be willing, but are they able, my lord?
My lord.
Ah, on va les défoncer.
Means giving up our best chance to come through this safely.
Ethan has made his opinion known, and you will respect his decision.
T'as compris, hein, Ethan?
We are, of course, here to serve you, as we served your father.
Aye.
Well then, let's decide how we shall set the stage for Ramsay's arrival.
You meet him at the gate with as much force as we can muster. Make him wait. Let him gaze upon Ironrath. And when he enters, he'll know it's only because you allowed it.
We don't have enough soldiers to strike fear in a madman like Ramsay Snow. Invite him into this hall.
Ouais, en fait, les gens... MDR Mowgli, mais je viens de faire une de ces putains d'erreurs. En fait, j'aurais dû pas... Ouais, vas-y, je la...
Very good, my
Dehors.
lord. I shall prepare the men.
Men? We hardly have any. It's a foolish plan.
That's enough from you, Tuttle. Lord Ethan has spoken. Obey his command.
I've faithfully served this house for far too long to sit here and listen to this. Forgive me, my lord, but you are far too young to be the lord of this house. You're likely to get us all killed. Get
Ah, vas-y, casse-toi, là.
Your father would not approve, my lord.
Maintenant que j'ai fait le con, je finirai de faire le con.
I had expected better of him. But now that it is settled, we know what we must do. You will meet Ramsay Snow at the gate, and we will not offer our ironwood.
No matter what, I will stand beside you, my lord, where your sentinel belongs.
Then perhaps we should adjourn. We have to prepare the house.
Ah, j'ai fait le con, là. Allez, toute seule, casse-toi.
There will always be those who question your leadership, which is why you need allies you can rely on. Family. Mira has done everything she can in King's Landing, but there are others who can help us. What about your brother, Asher?
You want to bring him back?
He's a skilled fighter, but what's more, he has the will to fight, a hunger for it.
Ça,
He
ça peut
always
être utile.
protected you and your sister, and we need all the help we can get.
Yes, I hear what you're saying.
Do you remember the miller's boy? How he tormented you? I wanted to intervene, but your father said Ethan must fight his own battles. But when Asher saw it, he didn't take a breath. He grabbed the miller's boy by the neck. That was his first instinct. Asher knocked out half the poor boy's teeth. Of course, your father was furious, but you were in danger and there was nothing else Asher needed to know. Asher does not hesitate. He acts, and we need that. You have many fine qualities. But
Asher is dangerous and unpredictable. His presence could help or hurt.
having another sword at your side always helps, especially now.
C'est clair.
I'm trying to do what's best for this family. What this
Je te crois,
family
maman.
needs. Ethan, let me send Malcolm to Essos.
Fine. Malcolm will go to Essos and bring Asher back.
Allez.
Thank you, Ethan. I'm glad you will let me do this. Know that you never stand alone. You are a Forrester. Mira stands with us, and she may be able to help us yet.
Allez. J'ai fait l'erreur de choisir Ser Royland, mais j'aurais également fait l'erreur de choisir Duncan. En tout cas, mes petits amis, là, on va s'arrêter là pour ce let's play. C'était bien, c'était un bon épisode, malgré la petite coupure de la Vermédia. Nous sommes où? Oh merde, je vois. Ah si, c'est bon. Voilà, donc nous sommes à 10h22:03 et on va continuer le let's play prochainement. Bisous bisous.